Welcome to our journey through the cosmos, where we delve into the mysteries of the universe. Today, we're embarking on a quest to discover the closest black hole to Earth. Black holes, some of the universe's most enigmatic and fascinating objects, pique our curiosity and challenge our understanding of the cosmos. Our focus today is V616 Monocerus, a black hole that's believed to be closest to us, but just how close is the nearest one to our own planet? Meet V616 Monocerus, also known as A062000, a binary system tucked away in the constellation Monocerus. This cosmic duo is made up of a regular star and its enigmatic companion, a black hole. Now, what makes V616 Monocerus so noteworthy? It's believed to be the closest known black hole to our home planet. Dwelling approximately 3,000 light-years away, this black hole isn't exactly a next-door neighbor, but in the grand scale of the universe, it's just down the cosmic street. The proximity of V616 Monocerus gives it a unique status in the study of black holes. As we journey further into the cosmos, we'll explore how this black hole was discovered, examine its characteristics, and delve into the profound implications it has for our understanding of the universe. So, buckle up and hold tight as we venture into the abyss of V616 Monocerus, our nearest known black hole. Located approximately 3,000 light-years away, V616 Monocerus holds a special place in the study of black holes. But how do we know it's there, and what sets it apart from other black holes in the cosmos? Well, the answer lies in the formation of black holes themselves. Picture a massive star, many times larger than our sun, reaching the end of its life cycle. Unable to sustain its own weight, the star collapses under its gravity, creating an incredibly dense region. This region is so dense that nothing, not even light, can escape its gravitational pull, resulting in what we call a black hole. In the case of V616 Monocerus, its existence was discovered indirectly. How? It's all about its companion star. The black hole pulls material from its partner, forming a swirling disk of superheated gas, known as an accretion disk. This process releases intense X-ray radiation, which we can detect from Earth. By studying these X-ray emissions, astronomers have been able to pinpoint the location and characteristics of V616 Monocerus. But why is it important to study black holes like V616 Monocerus? Well, black holes, despite their ominous reputation, are a key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. They are the remnants of massive stars, and their study offers us a unique perspective into the life cycle of stars and the evolution of galaxies. Furthermore, black holes challenge our understanding of the fundamental laws of physics. The immense gravitational pull of a black hole, strong enough to distort space and time, provides us with a real-world laboratory to test our theories of gravity and quantum mechanics. In the case of V616 Monocerus, its proximity to Earth provides an invaluable opportunity. Its study can help us understand how black holes interact with their surroundings. This knowledge can further shed light on the role of black holes in the formation and evolution of galaxies. Moreover, black holes are not just objects of scientific interest, they also capture our imagination. They inspire us to ask big questions and push the boundaries of our knowledge. Who knows, studying black holes might even lead us to discover new laws of physics or unexpected cosmic phenomena. The study of black holes like V616 Monocerus is therefore not just about satisfying our curiosity, it's about understanding our place in the universe, exploring the unknown, and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. And who knows what new discoveries await us as we continue to explore the cosmos. Thank you for joining me on this journey through space and time. We've ventured into the depths of the cosmos, met V616 Monocerus, and learned about the formation and significance of black holes. We've seen the importance of these celestial enigmas in our understanding of the universe. They are not merely objects of curiosity, but keys to unlocking the secrets of how galaxies form and the very nature of space and time itself. Remember, our quest for knowledge does not stop here. As we continue to probe the mysteries of the universe, we're bound to uncover more fascinating truths about black holes and other cosmic phenomena. The cosmos is an infinite canvas of discovery, and every star, every galaxy, every black hole has a story to tell. I hope this journey has sparked your curiosity and ignited your passion for the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up.